Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing good. And today's video is all about riding gears. So I have purchased a few of them. So let's see the unboxing of those riding gears today. I'm here in Bangalore today to purchase few riding gears for my next long ride. The building that you can see right over there is the World Trade Center, which is in Rajaji Nagar, Bangalore, and it is near to Sandal Soap Factory. We reached Sri Hari Automobiles, which is in 4th block, Rajaji Nagar. Yes, and that's the shop from where we are going to buy all those riding gears. Come, let's go in. They have helmets from various brands, starting from MT, Axis, and some other brands. And we get riding jackets, riding gloves, riding pants, riding boots, and many more other gears that we get here. It looks like a small shop, but they do have all the riding gears. I mean, they have the first floor as well, where they have kept all the stocks, and almost all the riding gears are available at this particular shop. If you come here, you'll be satisfied and you'll be very happy when you go back.
ಫಸ್ಟ್ 2 ಡೇಸ್ ಹೋಗಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವೀಕ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಡೇ ಮಂಡೇ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಸೀದಾ ಹೋಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ದಬಕ್ಕಂತ ಬಿದ್ದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಥರ ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಪೇಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ನಾನು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಆದರೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಹಂಗೆ ಹೇಳಿತ್ತು, ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬಿದ್ದಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ರಪ್ಪಕ್ಕಂತ ಬಿದ್ದಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
ವಾತಾವರಣ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಇದು ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿ
ಅಂದರೆ ಹೊಸದು ಅವತ್ತೇ ಪೇಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಮಂಡೇ ನಾವು ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಸಂಡೇ ಪೇಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಮಂಡೇ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗು ಇದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್
ಸರ್ ಆಗ್ತಿರೋದು ಪಾತೋರ್ಲು ಇನ್ಶೂರೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. ಇವಾಗ ರೋಡೇ ಸರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ಶೂರೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಸಿ ನಾವು ಏನು ಯೂಸ್.
So let's start with my first riding gear. So that's nothing but the helmet, and here's my new helmet. Can you guys guess the brand? Okay, let's reveal the brand now. And yes, it is a JC. Yeah, let's do the unboxing now. Yes, and this is the helmet. And what are the other things that we have in the box? Few cushioning for the helmet, and here's the user manual, and that's it. And the box is empty. So let's put it aside. Though I had seen this in the shop and bought it, even I am excited now. Yes, this is the one, HJC I-70, and this costed me around, to be precise, 15,750. So when it comes to safety, we should not think about money, because money comes today and goes tomorrow, but our life matters most. So that's it. This is the new one. So HJC I-70. So let's start with the features of this helmet. So start with, let's talk about this shell. So actually, I went to the showroom with the MT helmet in my mind. To be precise, I mean the MT Piston series, MT Revenge 2 Piston series. But after going to the showroom, I was just inquiring the other brands too, which they had in the showroom, and I found the HJC was looking good, one among them. First, I tried the HJC C70 model, but when compared to the I70, the C70 was a bit heavier. So I felt this one was, I mean, bit lightweight when compared to the C70. So I chose this one. So to tell about this, this is made up of advanced polycarbonate. Advanced polycarbonate material, and to tell about that material, that is very strong and it is toughest to break, and it is very lightweight as well. And that's about the shell. I don't want to deep dive in too much into the materials and all those stuff. So to tell about the design, it is a compact shell, and the aerodynamics of this helmet looks way more good when compared to the other helmets. So to tell about the air vents, here we have the chin vents in the middle. So here we have 4. So this is how we can open up and down, and here we have the top, we have the vents. This is for the air in. The air will flow freely inside our head, and it will reduce those sweating. And there is the air out, the exhaust at the back side. So this design looks really good. So yeah, yes, and at the back end, so this one looks a bit okay thing, but I'm not too much worried about this part. And other than this, the ratchet, it is not the double D ring, the normal one, the ratchet one, and it is okay. Safety wise it is okay, and as well as it's more convenient than the double D ring. So I am okay, pretty much okay with this. And to tell about the visor, we need to just, it's an easy way to open. We have to push here, and then yes. In other helmets we can find this particular button is placed in the left or to the right side, but that one, I mean, we can't the force that we are applying to push up and down this particular visor might vary if we have it on the left or right. So this is exactly in the middle, and which is good. The force we apply will go, I mean, it will be applied evenly, and that's very easy to move our visor up and down. Yeah. So yes, and this is the breath deflector, and this one I don't know whether you guys can see or not. This comes with a pin lock ready. So pin lock ready, and as well as within that box I add one more pin lock. So I have asked the people in the store to install it there only, because I don't know how to install it properly. And pin lock has been already installed in this particular helmet. And yes, let's try it now. First I will remove my specs. And this one, so with my old helmet I used to always tie a kerchief on my head, or some other material. I mean, the one that I use, so this was the one I used to use it before, like this, or like this, before I wear my helmet, like this, which will cover your nose and mouth. So this is one way that you can protect yourself from dust and as well as sweat. So this was my old one. This one is not bad, it's okay, but now I'm going with the balaclava, the full one. Let's try this. And this comes with an inbuilt mask. Yes, if you see here, I have some steel linings here. so that I can adjust it according to my nose shape. Yes, I can apply some force here. This is foldable as well, this particular plate they are kept inside. Yeah, now my ears are packed very much, I mean very good, very well. And yes, we can wear this. Let's move on to the second gear. This one is a polythene. Yeah. The next one is motorcycle gloves. So this one is from Solace. This is an Indian brand. It is manufactured in Bangalore. So this particular model is Solace Outlaw STR gloves. So this is fully made up of leather, and within this you can find a tag. Yeah. So and then the box is empty. Oh yeah. Yeah, here it is. So I have never used the gloves before, other than the cotton or the woolen one during the winter times, because I'm from Ooty and I had wore only those type of gloves during my childhoods, and after that have never wore any kind of motorcycle gloves. So this is my first one. Yeah, this one is medium size. So since it is new, I have to push it a bit hard. Yeah. So they have given two straps actually. This one, with this strap you can tie it as much as you can in your wrist, and this one, with this you can make the entire gloves, I mean the part which is after your wrist. Yeah. Oops. Yeah. Yes, that's it. So this one is a full gauntlet one, because when we go for long ride, actually I'm planning for long rides, so when I go for long rides, this type of gloves is preferred than the one which will end at your wrist, which will come up to this part. So compared to that, this is a bit more extended one, and here you can see there is a protector. I mean, this guard will protect your wrist part, especially this particular bone. So to tell about the protection, you have the protectors at your palm, up to your palm part here, and onto the knuckles, and then to your wrist. So this is fully made up of leather, so it is abrasion resistant. Even if you land with hard force, these leathers will, I mean, you can slide with the help of this material, and no damage will be happen to your hands. and fingers. It'll be totally safe. And we have small pores at the sides. I mean, you can see here there are small dots over here, and this will allow for the airflow inside your gloves. And this is not a waterproof one. Since it is made up of leather, we cannot wear during rainy times. Little bit of drizzle you can manage, but not on the heavy rains. And the last one that I have it for today is the riding jacket. So let's open this. And yes, this is also from Soles. It's a bit heavy for me. You can have this cover, put it somewhere. And yes, the model of this particular jacket is Soleil Furious version 3. And to tell about the cost of the jacket, okay, so before letting you guys know the cost, let's get into the features first, and then we can see whether it is worth it. Let's try the jacket now. First, we have the thermal liner. This will be most useful at my place where it is too cold. So this is the thermal liner. And now, first, don't put the entire hand onto the one side. Just put half and then pull it like this. Now I don't feel it heavy because it is evenly distributed to my shoulders and to my body. So it is not that heavy as before. So yeah, thermal liner I can adjust a bit. And one more thing is there. You have a strap for your waist. With this you can adjust according to your waist size so that the fit will be great. Yeah, you see, we have one more strap which is coming from back. You can put it like this. So yeah, this is how the fit looks, the waist. And now you can tighten the zip. So it's very easy actually. Here we have pro zips. The cushioning that we have on the neck part is really cool. Yeah, it's very much comfortable. Yeah, now if you see, it fits really good to me. Yes, we have given a lot of straps here for the adjustment to fit exactly to your hand size. You can adjust on your forearm. Yeah, now it looks a bit great. And these things on your hand, you can see these are for the ventilation. When we ride on a sunny day, these things are really needed for the ventilation so that the air can flow inside and you will not get that much sweat. And these are the reflectors. When you ride in the night time, these reflectors are really useful. You can see onto the back. And yes, your see the innovation by these guys. Here we have a Velcro. just open this, and under this zip as well, you can fold like this, and there's a pocket inside. You can fold like this. So if you see the pores here, this is also for the ventilation for your chest part. So we do have on the other side as well. You can do the same here. Yeah, you can see the same here. So the ventilation wise, it is good. We have on the ends and mainly for our chest part. So ventilation wise, it's really good. And you can tighten here as well. Yeah, done. And this is a touring jacket, so we have many pockets in this jacket, because when we go for a long ride, we tend to carry a lot of things on our jacket. So we have a pockets here, and if I open this, we have a pocket inside. So this one is waterproof. If you want to keep our mobile phone or wallet, something you can keep here, which is a waterproof one. Yeah. Now let's get into the protection. So here, if you see, there is a protector for your chest. These are level 2 protectors, and one on the other side. So these are the chest protectors, and we have the protection for the elbow part. These are also level 2, and you have protection for your shoulder on the both sides. So this particular jacket is completely level 2. So this is about the thermal liner. Now I will show you where the rain liner is present. So this is the rain liner. So we have it at the back so that you can carry when you ride. You don't need to put it in a bag. You can have this in your jacket itself. Just try this one as well. Yeah, and that's it. I'm trying it out for the first time on my own, because in the store people were there to help me. I'm finding it a bit difficult because this is the first time that I'm trying it on my own. Yeah, this is how it looks. Now, okay, we don't need to be afraid of heavy rains now. Oops. So, yeah. Since it's full gauntlet, it will come over your jacket, and this is how it looks. Oops. Yeah. Yeah. Yes. That's it. I'm ready. And this is how it looks with the jacket and the riding gloves. So I forgot to tell you about the price, right? Series. So this costs around 13,500, and for this price range we get level 2 certified chest protector, shoulder protector and the elbow protectors. So it is really worth it considering all the features that it has on offer. It's a really good jacket. You can visit this store for all the riding gears at one place. If you go there, you have Prashant over there and Ramesh sir and Vijay sir, who are very friendly, and they will help you out in picking the right products for your ride. So friends, what I suggest is riding is important, but at the same time riding with proper riding gears is much more important. So ride safely. Thank you. Thanks for watching and see you guys in another video. Until then, it's bye from Karthik. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. Follow me on Instagram at snowy5m.
ಲೈಕ್ பண்ணுங்க ಶೇರ್ ಕರೋ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾನೆಲ್ ಮೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಮೆಮೊರೀಸ್ turn on the notifications for making memories like share subscribe and turn on the notification for